Hello friends, today we are dealing with the beta oxidation of fatty acids. Each cycle of beta oxidation liberating a 2 carbon unit acetyl CoA occurs in a sequence of 4 reactions, that is oxidation, hydration, oxidation and cleavage. In this, first is oxidation. Acyl CoA undergoes dehydrogenation by an FAD dependent acyl CoA dehydrogenase. A double bond is formed between alpha and beta carbon. Second is hydration. Enoyl CoA hydratase brings about the hydration of the double bond to form beta hydroxyacyl coenzyme A. Third is oxidation. The beta hydroxyacyl CoA dehydrogenase catalyzes the second oxidation and generates NADH. The product formed is beta ketoacyl CoA. And last is cleavage. The final reaction liberates 2 carbon fragment, that is acetyl CoA from acyl CoA with the help of enzyme beta ketoacyl CoA thiolase. Thus, the breakdown of individual fatty acid occur as a repeating sequence of 4 reactions. These 4 reactions form one round of fatty acid degradation, and their overall effect is to remove 2 carbon unit sequentially in the form of acetyl CoA from fatty acid chain. The shortened acyl CoA then undergoes further cycle of beta oxidation until the last cycle, when the acyl CoA with 4 carbon atoms is split into 2 molecules of acetyl CoA. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.